Today, we're turning a handful of fresh ingredients into this incredible, creamy, baked feta. Let's begin. We'll start with some beautiful, sweet cherry tomatoes. Cutting them in half helps them release their juices while baking, creating a natural sauce. And now for a true taste of Greece. These are Kalamata Olives. They're named after the city of Kalamata and have a wonderful deep purple color and a rich, almost fruity flavor. A little tip: baking them actually intensifies that flavor, making them even richer and softer. I like to press them with the flat side of my knife. It makes removing the pit incredibly easy. A little bit of red onion adds a lovely, subtle sweetness that balances the saltiness of the feta. For the garlic, I'm only chopping it very coarsely today. When garlic is cooked in larger pieces like this, it becomes wonderfully sweet and mild, infusing the oil with its aroma without being overpowering. It's my favorite way to use it in this dish. Now, let's assemble. We'll start by brushing our baking dish with a little olive oil. Right in the center goes our beautiful block of feta cheese. I like to arrange the onions first, placing them around and under the feta. This protects them from the direct heat of the air fryer, so they become soft and juicy instead of burning. Next, we'll tuck in our garlic pieces and scatter those delicious Kalamata olives all around. And finally, we'll fill in the gaps with our cherry tomatoes. Now for the flavor. We'll drizzle everything generously with some high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Then a good sprinkle of dried oregano, some freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of crushed hot paprika for a little warmth. You'll notice I'm not adding any salt. The feta itself is plenty salty, so no extra salt is needed. Perfect. Into the air fryer it goes at 180 degrees Celsius for around 14 minutes. Now, while that's baking, I want to show you something. This combination of baked feta and tomatoes is a true Greek classic. It's so versatile. In fact, this exact flavor base is used in one of Greece's most famous shrimp dishes, Garlic Saganaki. It's this incredible recipe with juicy shrimp swimming in that same rich tomato and feta sauce. It's absolutely divine. I have the full easy air fryer recipe for it on the channel, if you love shrimp as much as I do. And it's ready. Look at that. The feta is soft, the tomatoes have burst, the aroma is just incredible. I always love to add another little drizzle of fresh olive oil right at the end. Now, we'll gently break up the feta with a fork, mixing it with those jammy tomatoes and all the delicious juices to create the most amazing creamy dip. And now for my favorite part. Adding the final touch of freshness straight from my balcony here in Glyfada. There is simply nothing like the aroma of freshly picked herbs. Today I'm using some fresh basil and a little bit of fresh oregano. The heat from the warm dish will release all their essential oils, adding a whole new layer of flavor that you just can't get from dried herbs. We'll just sprinkle them over the top. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get the perfect bite. A little bit of the creamy feta, a sweet roasted tomato, a piece of that mild garlic, and a fresh basil leaf. This is pure Mediterranean sunshine on a plate. It's salty, sweet, creamy, and bursting with freshness. Just perfect. I really hope you give this simple recipe a try. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And I'd love to know, what's your favorite way to enjoy feta cheese? Let me know down in the comments. If you loved how this baked feta turned out, you're going to adore the shrimp saganaki I mentioned earlier. You can watch it right now by clicking the video here on the screen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Aegean healthy cooking. Enjoy!